Rebels, and welcome back to the channel. And today's video, we're going off for a spin. We're going exploring. It's a new month of May, so we have to get new points, new counties to go to as well. Well, new counties as in we have to get the library in Kilkenny as well. So we'll be going there, but we're getting a lot of interesting points this month as well, and on this video. But first of all, we have a jam-packed informational start, as it were, to the video. So I have it on my phone. I have so much information, and I have some really big news as well. Really excited. So give me 1 second, we'll have a look on my notes. So the first one is massive news. So I finally booked my motorcycle bike test. Really excited about it. Booked it last night, and we have it on, so it's 8 to 12 weeks until you get the invitation. When you get the invitation, then you have your date. So between now and then, I'll be preparing to go. I'll have my friend's bike I'll be using. I have to insure that as well, and I'll be going with roadcraft.ie Mick Smith, and I'll be doing a pre-test with him. So it's about €100, and you get 2 hours of the pre-test on the bike, so that should be sufficient. Really look forward to that. Also, on foot of that, then I've renewed my license as well. So I got so far where, like I said in the previous videos, I had to apply for the test to renew my license, which is up on the 24th of this month, 24th of May. So I done that last night as well. Once that was done, once the bike test was done, or applied for, then I was able to go and apply for my full license as well. Sorry, not my full license, my learner permit. So I have that for another 2 years at least, if worse comes to worse and I don't pass the test, but I intend fully on passing the test, believe me. So really looking forward to that. Huge news. I know people are probably looking at it going, it's about time. I feel like that as well. I was just kind of forced into it with the dates and stuff, but really excited. I was going to do it this year anyway, so it's a goal for me to push towards, and really look forward to it, as I said. So yes, the 10-pointer then for this month is a vintage car. So in this video, we're going to go searching for that vintage car. Hopefully I get it, hopefully. But yeah, vintage cars really hard to come across. You're going to pass them on the road loads, like my fellow colleagues in Road Adventures have, and that's just head wrecking for them, that's for sure. And also then, yes, the last video actually, one of my colleagues, I would say, on the Road Adventures, didn't see the end of the video, and there was a video, remember I was talking about the Metal Man and whether it was going to be a round tower or not. Some people missed at the end of the video, so what I will say is always watch till the end of the video, because I usually put a few bits and pieces at the end. If people are staying till the end, there'll be a few informational bits as well. Not every video, but a good few videos. I like to do it, you know, for anyone who's, it's like a reward for anyone who watches all the way to the end. The round towers didn't make it, I'll tell you this time, but the next time I won't recap on it, and you can have a look back and stuff like that as well. But the round tower for the Metal Man didn't make it, and on the end of the video there's information why it didn't make it. So unfortunately I thought it would make it, but it didn't, so that's no issue at all. But that's why I got my Chancellor badge. You know, you chance these things as well. What else do we have? So, oh yeah, so the bike calendar reveal is every month. Okay, so that's on my Facebook page, and again it's Deise Rebel. So just look up on Facebook, type in Deise Rebel, and then you go onto the page. I have a lot more daily content there as well, so that supplements the YouTube videos. And as well as that, I'm going to be using the community page here on YouTube as well, a lot more. So I want to interact, and I want you to see that on YouTube. I want you to see it on my Facebook page. I also have an Instagram, but it's under my own name, Walter, I think it's _J_Kennedy on Instagram. That's more of my daily stuff, my own personal stuff. I have bike stuff on it as well, but it's not fully bike related. So if you want to see a bit more about me personally, go on there by all means. Follow me, no problem at all. But if you want more bike related stuff, then it's on my Facebook page, Deise Rebel. And again, it's going to be on the community page as well. So with the calendar, every month I do a calendar every month. So I have the calendar up here, if you can see it in the video, but it's up there. And it's a British classic bike calendar, and I don't look at it until I peel it open on the 1st of May, say, or the 1st of April, whatever, and then I see it, see what bike it is, learn more about it, and then I put that information on my Facebook page as well. I put a short on my YouTube here also, and a bit of information on it as well. So I'll be kind of doing that as well, but the main stuff for the calendar and the biking content daily is on my Facebook page. But yeah, so the calendar reveal for this month is, I'll show you some pictures as well, just to give you a flavour of what it is. So it's a BSA Gold Flash, and that is, I think it's 1953. Calendars here, 1954 actually. Yeah, so it's 1954. So I've a couple of pictures here I'll show you, and show you what I mean, all that kind of stuff as well. So I just use it for my bike points, the calendar. And it's cool as well to learn about new old style bikes. Sometimes I'll find videos of old bikes, to say out the BSA or something like that. I put it up there as well, so it's much more content heavy, let's say, on the Facebook page. Yeah, so that's it for the information. Hope you enjoyed the information, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, later on, crush that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and please comment down below, because I love chatting to everybody, and thanks to everyone who's always chatting on the comments and all that kind of stuff as well. So without further ado, let's head to today's video. Enjoy.
Yeah. Rev it.
Huh?
Rev it.
Yeah, give me 1 second.
Jimmy, I'm revving. This one. Here.
Pull it back.
Oh, wait.
Come on. Keeping the kids happy in the neighbourhood, you know. So we're off to Kilkenny today for the 32 counties. There's 2 libraries in close proximity of each other. I will be going for the county library first, and there's another library around the corner. One is closed at the moment. I hope the other one's open, but we're going to get that. That's the main focus today. And as you've seen earlier, the 10 point is a vintage car, so we will have to stop off somewhere if we see a car or whatever. But yeah, let's head along the way and enjoy a good day out on the bike. It's a train again. BMW as well. Okay, our bike is passing me there now. I'll leave it over here. Right, vintage car done. Boy, I've seen that before on the way up. And it caught my eye on the way up. I love old cars, so that's very nice, very cool. Very hefty as well, actually, by the look of it. 10 pointer in the bag. Good shot. Look at that. A biker carrying a bike. Fair play. Ingenuity, right? Oh yeah, this is library. Closed on Saturdays. That's fine though. That will do. That'll be my 32 counties. There's another one around the corner, I think. Oh, we got a fix here first anyway. Lively spot today. Definitely towards anyway. That's true. Here. See? You never know what leads you to here. Well, how's it going? Ah, so we keep it on the road anyway.
That's lovely. Sweet. What year is that?
2011.
Nice.
Yeah.
Do you have it long?
About 2.5 years now.
And are you happy with it?
I love it, yeah.
Great, great.
Absolutely love it.
What cc is that?
It's 865.
What is it?
I told it. 865 cc.
865.
Yeah.
That's a big engine, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's lovely.
That's-
My husband drives bikes and I'm on to him to go for a Triumph, I think.
Yeah.
He's getting that bit older now and they're nice, and he's not tall, so they're nice. They're not too high.
Yeah, they're nice height wise and stuff like that as well.
If I get a photo of
No,
it.
work away, you're okay, yeah?
And it might encourage him. He's changing the bike next year anyway. So,
Yeah.
So, because he's retiring from work, so. And do you ever carry a passenger?
No, not yet. I have to get my full license first, so once I get my full license, I probably will then, like, you know.
Yeah.
Looks nice with the church.
Lovely, nice
Yeah.
setting for it. Sorry about our.
Ah, yeah, grand, no problem at all.
Carving the plaque up there.
Yeah,
The letters have to be recarved or.
nice to do it, isn't it?
Ah,
It's grand.
nice work, yeah.
Yeah. So we calling it
Lovely.
anyway.
Nice. Thanks very much. And I'll get it from that Deise Rebel. It's lovely.
Yeah,
Rebel. Right, enjoy your spin.
no problem, lovely. Wait, what's your own name?
Aileen.
Aileen
Brannigan.
Walter, lovely to meet
Walter,
you.
nice to meet you, Walter.
See you again. Okay, so St. Canice's Cathedral is back down here now. So we're going to go down here. So just down here, you can see, look around tower there. Vanishing off the footless there. That's a sore one. Oh, look at this. There's any of some beautiful churches and cathedrals as well. Like this one. So in you go. Oh, look at that. Oh, see up the top. That's mad. Okay, so St. Canice's Cathedral. We might come up here another day. I just have to get back today, but very cool tower. I've had people up there, it's even cooler too. You never know what they come across. That's why my adventures are spontaneous. So you just get distracted and then off you go somewhere different. Best band is no plan at all. You need plan A and plan B when you don't have a plan in the first place. Take it this way parking. We'll find out. Need a quick stop for a lavatory break. Well, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I've enjoyed myself, got to talk to the lady as you see there, give out another sticker, and somebody loves the Bonneville as well. I'm going to head back to Waterford now, but on the way we're going to get some more points. I've seen Guinness sign, another Guinness sign, and I've seen a railway bridge, but I've got a railway bridge over there where the Gardaí were with the ambulance and stuff, so maybe only 1 point on the way back, I don't know. But let's take the spin back and then I'll talk to you when I get home, or close to home anyway. So let's get back on the road. Look at that thing. Wow. There's something I've seen earlier. I think it's a Guinness sign anyway. We'll have a look. Well, how's it going? That's cool, isn't it? Always good bottle for a man. That's the lady. Sorry, you might ask me, was that an old pub before?
Yeah, so the pub was here since 1789.
Okay.
The whole lot of it, yeah.
Oh, so it's all a full place.
The bar was small door there in the middle was the green door. That was the old bar.
Yeah.
This is the lounge. That was the old stables for it. And Cody's was where they lived. So that's the nickname.
Oh, very
of
cool.
Cody's door.
Here, thanks for that.
No bother. So.
Thank you. So just nearly home now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and then until the next time, Deise Rebel out.